How to add custom filters on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now just tap on these different filters or drag it, and here you can see the option of view all effects. Tap on it. Now select on the create option over here and then tap on create effects. So as you tap on create effects, it will take us to this new page where you can simply see these different options. So TikTok has given us the basic way, or it has also shown us how you can create the effects as well. So you can tap on start creating. So what you can simply do is you can pick up makeup look over here regarding a preset, lipstick, or different other options over here as well. Then you can simply tap on makeup, stickers, we have 3D props, we have filters and everything. So you can select among whichever is more convenient for you, and you can create a very entertaining kind of a filter or effects over here. So that's how you can add custom filters on TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.